Hello, are you confused with these two words? Let's solve the confusion. The first is dessert. Dessert. And it's a verb. The second word is dessert. And it's a noun. Dessert, dessert. The difference is that first dessert is a verb. That means to leave someone or a place, or to desert a person or a place. Whereas this dessert is a sweet dish, usually taken at the end of a meal. So let's use them in sentences. Dessert. The house has been deserted by its residents yesterday. Dessert. She prepared chocolate mousse for dessert. Hope you understand. See you next time. Thanks for watching.